Here we have the new ARMA Granite 4x4. I am going to do the unboxing and review, and I will give you my real honest opinion. Is it good quality? Is it fast? Is it worth it? You're about to find out. If you want to start the RC hobby, this truck might be the best option for you. Now, let me make this clear. I am not a professional. I am a regular person that is starting the RC hobby. This is my second RC truck, and here is my real, honest review. By the way, check out my first review of a cheap RC monster truck from Costco. This truck is perfect if you're on a budget. I bought this ARMA Granite at my local hobby store. The retail price is $269.99, but I bought it for $229.99. This truck is a 4-wheel drive, has a brushed motor, and the package includes the remote, battery, and wall charger. The structure of the truck is very simple and easy to do upgrades and repairs. You can do most of the work yourself, and all of the parts are available to purchase at your local hobby store. This particular model comes in two colors, red and blue. Today, we're going to review the blue one. Inside of the box, you will find the truck, instructions, and a small bag with some tools, the remote, a small jumper, and the wall charger. In addition to the included battery and charger, I bought a fast charger and an additional battery. I'll explain why in a minute. Here we have the included charger, instruction that no one reads, and a nice template with all of the part numbers. Make sure to save it. It will be helpful when you break something and need to replace it. A small bag with some tools, the small jumper, the remote, and of course, the truck. The steering wheel is made out of soft material that feels nice to the touch. The first knob is for the steering rate. It controls the sensitivity of the steering wheel. The second knob controls the sensitivity of the throttle. The third one aligns the front wheels. On the other side, we have the speed control, 50, 75, and 100%, throttle reverse, and steering reverse. These clips secure the body of the truck. I don't know if this is normal, but mine are super hard to remove and to put them back. 90% of the body of this truck is plastic, but feels solid and well made. Okay, now let me tell you the reason why I bought the fast charger and an additional battery. The included charger, it is a basic charger. It takes around 4 hours to charge 3300 milliamp battery. On the other hand, the fast charger charges the same battery in about 40 to 50 minutes. Huge difference. I also bought a 5000 milliamp battery to extend the runtime. We're going to test the runtime of each battery in a few minutes. These are nickel metal batteries. This truck is compatible with 2S LiPo batteries, but you need to be careful because this is a brushed motor, not brushless. Here we have the jumpers and the tools. The fast charger took 1 hour and 1 minute to fully charge the 5000 milliamp battery. The included charger, it is still charging the 3300 milliamp battery. I am not sure if this charger it is defective. It took 7 hours and 5 minutes to charge the battery, almost double what I was told. This is a 0.5 amp charger. You definitely need to upgrade the charger. We are ready to do the first test run. The guy at the hobby store recommended to drive the truck at the lowest speed for one battery cycle to break in the motor. This is the 50%, which is the lowest speed. 48 minutes later, the 3300 milliamp battery is dead. Now, let's do the real test. The manufacturer claims that this truck goes up to 30 miles per hour. Yes, it is fast.
Ooh, you flipped it.
Here is at 50% speed, 75, and 100%. If we combine the clips, you can see the speed difference. Now the range test.
range?
I lost control at about 550 feet. That's a very good range. Asphalt is kinda boring, let's go off-road. The 3300 milliamp battery lasted 14 minutes combining the speeds 50, 75, and 100%. The 5000 milliamp battery lasted 35 minutes. One thing that I noticed with the 5000 milliamp battery is that the first 15 minutes I was able to use the 100% speed. It was running fast, but after 15 minutes the truck was running at about 50% even though the switch was set to 100%. 25 minutes later, the truck was running at around 35%. Very slow, it kept this speed until it died at 35 minutes. After the first off-road experience, I saw some oil stains on the front and rear end. The shocks on this truck are oil filled, and I'm pretty sure the transmission has oil as well. They will need maintenance after a few days of use. I drove on loose gravel, I had fun, but a few minutes later, a rock got stuck in the steering arm and started to give me problems. I had to do a minor surgery to be able to remove it. The included tools were helpful to do the surgery. Now, here is my honest opinion. This truck is amazing. It is fast, it is reliable, and affordable. This is the perfect truck to start the RC hobby. Once you learn all of the tricks on this truck, you can do some upgrades to it or upgrade to something bigger, faster, and more expensive. There are many other options out there, but in my opinion, this is the best entry-level truck for less than $250. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe.